I'll land this corner house.
Fuck that crossbow.
I have a new shotgun. Probably gonna die with it.
Here, I have a pump. I'll trade you. This is me. Nobody come here? I'm not seeing a whole lot of.
A big shield for you.
I'm not seeing a whole lot of anything. Are you able to carry it, or do you want me to go with it?
Hold it for now.
You have an AR? How about here's one?
That's the blue one.
Fucking bitch, dude. How did he hit me? How the fuck did he hit me?
Where is he? Don't die.
Hop on.
Where's the other one? He's on the
In
roof, I
front.
think.
Yeah, yeah. Is that you?
Yeah, he's downstairs.
In here?
Yeah. Oh, I can't fucking shoot. Nice. Oh, there's a big shield for you. I whiffed my Kobe's hardcore.
Cam, you see you whiffing. I'm gonna get this. We can go there.
Hit him once.
Kind of flanking. I don't know if they see me.
Yeah, I'm just doing deagle shots.
Look, look, look! I'm going behind them.
Yeah, I see it. There was a sniper. I'm just gonna build, wait till you get closer. Put some pressure. I hit once, 35.
They both in here.
Yeah. Putting pressure, yeah, they don't know you're there. Another machine. I don't know where. Nice. Nice job.
Then I see a.
Another team.
Where's another team at?
I don't know, I shy, I just was running. But there's a big shield on the modern house if you wanna go get it.
I got it already. The shots sound like they're from over. Oh yeah, they're right in front of us west.
That guy's almost dead. One hit.
Damn it, I hit him once too. They're gonna die.
Bro, I'm lagging like hard. What the hell is this lag?
Nice.
Oh, they're dead.
These minis, and here's a big for you.
Do you have... Okay, I'll just pop the big then.
No, take the minis first.
Came straight out of...
Him now.
straight ahead. Fucking wreck. You sniped him and then I fucking pistoled him, bro. That was mint.
That was what's up. Yeah,
That guy got... He has another chug chug. What the fuck? Taking his mats. Campfire. Oh, gold deagle. I'm gonna pop this med kit. I'm still lagging. What the fuck? There's a chug here.
Nice. No.
Some long ass digs, bro. One digs. I feel it.
Wait, what?
The team 195. Oh, I hit him once.
Oh shit, nice. I think there's another team southwest. Stand still for me, little biatch.
Oh, what the fuck? See them when was 95?
Yeah, they're all fighting. Oh, he's so lucky. His friend built a fucking wall for him. Lucky fuck.
I'm gonna go break our ramp to get up here. Make sure no one comes in. Feel me?
Hmm.
Oh,
Still in
the
that
fucking
hut.
Pencil Dick Mountain is in the zone too. Oh, there might be people.
Shot him. I was trying to get out of the door and I fucking sniped his ass. Oh, I shot him again. They're hurting down there, brother.
He's building a ramp.
Shot him once, shot him twice.
And then once, 34. There's another team 165, 1 by 1. Steel.
Where? Oh, I see.
Another team trying to go up the Pencil Dick Mountain. 2 guys. You have a launch pad?
They're running into people too.
I wish I was.
Ooh, 260.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah. Damn, bro, 265. I see Pencil Dick. People.
Yeah.
Got him for 35.
Hit him once, hit him twice, 35 white. He's one hit.
Nice.
One hit, that guy down there.
Trying.
Got him, knocked him.
Shit, brother.
2 teams going up Pencil Dick. South. In the open.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Sick with these snipes right now. He's in the storm. He's dead. I think they're all deaded. They're all.
Yeah, he's dead.
Maybe
He's dead.
one of them is not gonna be dead. I swear. This is why you get fucking high ground, brother. Right here. Oh,
That
no more
guy and
AR
another
ammo.
guy somewhere.
They already are ammo for the kid.
Come to me, yeah, come to me. There. There you go.
45.
Item 1. He's dead. Lol. One more dude.
Lol. Let's
Where
trap
can he
this guy.
be? Oh, we have that thing again.
Just wait to see him.
I have to take a shit, man.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude. I'm going for the kill. I have to. It's really coming out of my ass right now.
You were fucking.
It's probably in this house, man.
Last thing you said in a really long time.
Is he in here?
I see him as bush.
Yeah, dude. I'll be back. Be right back.
Nice, man. Easy. Easy, easy, easy.